So this final video is going to be about my little tips on doing thumbnails. And like I say to like a lot of people when they're wanting to come over to YouTube, I always say you don't have to be a fancy editor and you don't have to have like fancy thumbnails. So my 3 tips on how I do my thumbnails to make sure that they are clickable and that they're also visible. First of all, I want to say that I do use Canva. My number 3 tip I would say is to use catchy phrasing in the thumbnail instead of your title. So like I was saying in episode 2, to put any catchy phrasing in your thumbnail instead of your title so that you can use your title for optimizations. So you can see here, Io is the best, Sky is not OP, Grandpa help, things like this, and this is kind of things that I probably would have put in my title, but instead of putting it in my title, I saved it and put it here in my thumbnail. Okay, so then the second tip that I have for you is to use bright colors. I think that was something that I learned from just watching other videos, is that you want to make sure that you're brightening up your thumbnail so that it's visible to be seen. Say for example, if someone's on their phone and they have their brightness turned down, you want to make sure that your thumbnail is bright enough and like vibrant enough so that if the person is looking on a dim phone, that they'll be able to still see it. And this is another thing why I like Canva as well. You can copy a thumbnail and then you can kind of have like a template, and I kind of use all my thumbnails as templates, and I usually just copy the previous one and then I just kind of paste whatever I want. Now I'm going to get into my number 1 tip, but I also have a bonus for you guys, so stay tuned for the bonus. Okay, so my number 1 tip though, however, is to size down your thumbnails so that you will be able to look at them, so you will know if they'll be able to be seen on mobile, especially if you're going to be using wording in your thumbnails, right? Okay, so this is why I like using Canva, because you're able to size down. Let me take away my picture so you can see. So right here at the very bottom, it says zoom. I like to click on the zoom and I usually put it at like 25, and I like to size it down and to see if it's legible still, okay? Okay, so my bonus tip is to take stock photos of yourself for your thumbnails if you're someone who likes to put their face in their thumbnails. So just take a whole bunch of pictures if you have a green screen. If you don't have a green screen, you can use this free website called Remove Background. I'll put it down below. It just makes it a whole lot easier. And if you found this helpful, feel free to share it with all your friends. Let them know. I also have videos down below in all of my descriptions. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Bye. Oh my God.